Can a vegan diet really transform your health and lower blood sugar levels? The answer might surprise you. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. People choose veganism for ethical, environmental, and health reasons, but its impact on blood sugar is particularly noteworthy. Research shows that a vegan diet can improve metabolic fitness and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes. The high fiber content in a vegan diet helps regulate glucose levels and improve metabolic health. Whole foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and whole grains promote lower glycemic responses. A vegan diet can enhance insulin sensitivity and improve glycemic control, especially for those with type 2 diabetes. Nutrient-dense foods in a vegan diet may reduce the risk of obesity and other metabolic disorders. Quinoa, lentils, and sweet potatoes are high in fiber and low on the glycemic index, providing steady energy. Studies indicate that vegans often have lower fasting blood glucose levels and improved hemoglobin A1c. Antioxidants in fruits and vegetables like berries and spinach improve cellular function and reduce inflammation. However, transitioning to a vegan diet carries risks, such as consuming processed foods with added sugars. Without proper guidance, some may struggle to get necessary nutrients, affecting blood sugar balance. Using a glucose monitor can help track progress and ensure balanced blood sugar levels. Portion control and understanding the glycemic index of foods are crucial for managing blood sugar on a vegan diet. Many individuals see improvements in glucose levels within weeks of adopting a plant-based diet. Factors like food choices, exercise habits, and lifestyle modifications influence the speed of blood sugar reduction. Regular physical activity, proper hydration, and adequate sleep are essential for optimal blood sugar management. High-fiber foods like quinoa and black beans provide sustained energy and minimize blood sugar spikes. Meal timing and stress management techniques also play significant roles in blood sugar control. A whole foods approach, stress management, hydration, exercise, and glucose monitoring are key strategies. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds ensures a nutrient-rich diet. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice offer complex carbohydrates that prevent blood sugar spikes. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables add bulk to meals, promoting fullness without excess calories. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein and fiber for blood sugar management. Limiting processed foods and sugary drinks is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Hydration supports metabolic function and helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Regular exercise increases insulin sensitivity and enhances metabolic fitness. Cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility workouts all positively impact blood glucose levels. Delicious vegan recipes like quinoa and black bean salad, tofu and vegetable stir-fry, and lentil soup can help manage blood sugar. Roasted sweet potato and chickpea Buddha bowl and vegan banana oatmeal pancakes are also great options. Embrace the power of a vegan diet to transform your health and take control of your blood sugar levels today.